Assalamualaikum. Hello Miss Rias. My name is Naufal. I'm from grade 3B. Going to the market on Monday morning. Miss Anita goes to the market to buy some vegetables. She goes to the market by motorcycle. Miss Anita goes to greengrocer to buy 1 kilo of potatoes, 2 bunches of spinach, carrot, and mushroom. She wants to make a pan of soup with mushroom. Miss Anita is also buy some long beans, sprout, cabbage, and squash, because she wants to make gado-gado. Miss Anita is a housewife, so she loves cooking so much. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah Miss Rias.